The other thing that I can use this for is in the cases that I can see that in grade 1, grade 3 skills, he's doing really well, very high accuracy. He's starting to get into grade 8. And Adam's actually not a grade 8 student. He's a grade 6 student here. So he's starting to get a little bit more advanced in the Prodigy curriculum, which is fantastic. You can see where he might be having difficulty. And in this case, he's having some challenges with the Pythagorean theorem. So if you want to take a look here at the questions that specifically that he might be struggling with, this provides you as a parent the opportunity to see the question, and you might be able to just pop this on your screen and do it as a kind of impromptu lesson with your child.
Yeah, Heather had a really good question in the chat kind of about how the adaptive learning works, how the students automatically guided, even if you don't provide them with specific problems or topics.
Yes, that is a very good question, Heather. So essentially how the algorithm works, and I think I have a slide here that might explain it a little bit better. So let me go here really quickly. So your child is playing the game by default. They're obviously getting math questions. So the first thing that they do in terms of the curriculum is the placement test. After they complete the placement test, which typically takes like 1 to 2 sessions, it's not a set number of questions that are in the placement test. It could be 20 questions. It could be 50 questions that they have to answer. It depends on how far they're progressing through the curriculum. Then they're put on that adaptive path, and that's where we adapt.